250 horsepower. Tips is safe what you've done. It is on our road.
Look at every angle. The ZR1X is not just the most powerful Corvette ever built, it is the most extreme.
Zain had watched every ZR1X video ever posted. He had the spec sheet saved on his phone. He had read every first drive review. 11 color options: torch red, competition yellow, blade silver matte. Each one is a different statement, but every single one looks correct on this car.
6 a.m. Empty motorway. Zain was not about a freak selling one set. Then he floored.
That evening, Zain stood in his driveway and looked at the ZR1X for a long time.
Welcome to BikeVerse. Every week, the world's most extraordinary machines. Reviewed, tested, celebrated.
From supercars to super tykes, if it moves fast and looks incredible, it belongs here.
Look at every angle. The ZR1X is not just the most powerful Corvette ever built, it is the most extreme.
250 horsepower. Tips is safe what you've done. It is on our road.
Zain had watched every ZR1X video ever posted. He had the spec sheet saved on his phone. He had read every first drive review. The wide body, wider front and rear arches to accommodate those massive Michelin tires. This is not styling, this is physics.
All-wheel drive on a Corvette. This is the ZR1X, not the standard ZR1. The undiads know that it seek horsepower.
That sound. A flat plane crankshaft in a 5.5-liter twist, something that wants to ice. On city streets, the ZR1X is surprisingly livable. The EAWD means no drama in traffic. The 11 color options: torch red, competition yellow, blade silver matte. Each one is a different statement, but every single one looks correct on this car. LT7, 5.5 liters, flat plane crankshaft, twin turbocharged. Most American V8s use a cross-plane crankshaft. The reason they have that deep, even muscle car sound. V8 alone, 1,064 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. AI electric front motor, dual overhead cams, 4 valves per cylinder, 32 valves total, variable valve timing, twin turbos, 1 per cylinder bank, 76mm turbocharger diameter, both spooling simultaneous.
6 a.m. Empty motorway. Zain was not about a freak selling one set. Then he floored.
This is what 1,064 naturally aspirated horsepower sounds like, with twin turbos added. Dry sump lubrication. The LT7 carries its oil in a separate reservoir, not in a sump below the engine. This is the EAWD. A 186 oil locks like he drives the Ryers. The batteries 1 broad tires. EAWD. A 186 of Nuren kilowatt hours of lactofistools on public road tires. Launch control. Hold the brake. Build revs. Release. The EAWD distributes torques per inch for 1,064 horsepower from 5.5 liters with twin turbos. 8 performance modes. Weather mode for rain, smooth and safe. Stealth modes for highway moment nobody expects.
Magnetic ride control version 4.0. The dampers contain magnetic fluid. Above 160 miles per hour, the front electric motor disconnects. It cannot spin fast enough. Regen brake torque vectoring. Under braking, the front electric motor regenerates energy for the battery. 1.9 seconds, 0 to 60. To put that in context, a Formula 1 car does 0 to 60 in roughly. The ZR1X on track, 1,250 horsepower, 1,200 pounds of downforce, and on a close to second. Pistabud. This is 1,250 horsepower, and then you're gone. The J59 carbon ceramic brake package, standard on every ZR1X. 16 Alcon, a brake manufacturer whose primary business is motorsport, Formula 1, LMP, GT3. Under hard braking, the ZR1X is not just using its brakes to stop, it is using its brakes to corner and to recover energy simultaneously. Double wishbone suspension, all 4 corners. The geometry allows precise camber control through every corner. When the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, developed with Chevrolet specifically for the ZR of ZR-Mex. The ZR1X stops from 60 miles per hour in under 100 feet, from 100 miles per hour in under 208. By lap 6, Zain was braking later than he had ever braked in any car. The carbon ceramic brakes gave him the same. Carbon ceramic rotors are lighter, but this matters beyond simple weight saving. The rotor is unsprung mass. 16.5-inch carbon ceramic rotors. Alcon Tino Tispervex front calporicina. Step inside the ZR1X and you understand immediately this is not a Spartan track talk coal. It is. In track mode, the gauge cluster shows everything. Lateral G in real time, individual tire temperatures, the carbon fiber interior trim, real structural carbon fiber, not carbon look plastic, custom GT2 bucket seats, carbon fiber shells, leather bolsters. The steering wheel is the ZR1X most important interface. Flat bottom, this is a driver's wheel. Heads-up display, Speed, navigation, gear, always visible without looking away from the road. Bose 14-speaker audio, wireless Apple CarPlay, USB-C charging.
It's the Ronix Hawks.
The Targa top. One panel removes to open the cockpit to the sky, store it in the rear cargo area, and the LT carbon fiber trim, GT2 bucket seats, digital gauge cluster, heads-up display, Bose 4. That is the starting price for the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X. America did that. Ferrari SF90, 986 horsepower, $560,000. In the lineage of extreme American performance cars, the Viper, the 12-integer stands at car in history. 233 miles per hour, the top speed of the ZR1X without aero. The club of road cars that exceed the ZTK performance package, carbon fiber aero, turns the ZR1X into a racing car. Perfect for the driver who wants the most powerful American car ever built. Every ZR1X is hand-built at the Bowling Green Performance Build Center in Kentucky. The engine is assembled by hand. The 8.675 seconds for the quarter mile at 159 miles per hour in GM official testing. In 2026, the global supercar landscape looks different. The ZR1X is not just the best of America. There is no car at $207,000 that received the supercars. The ZR Performance.
Engine, GM LT7, 5.5 liters, flat plane V8. Twin electric system, 186 horsepower front motor, 145 pound-feet, 1.9
Performance, 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds, quarter mile in 8.675 seconds at 100 pounds of downforce at speed. These are the confirmed figures. Brakes, J59 carbon ceramic standard, 16.5-inch rotors, Alcon tires, front 275/30 ZR20, rear 3914 pounds coupe dry. Drivetrain, 8-speed automated manual DCT, EAWD. Fuel, premium unleaded required. Tank capacity, 18.5 gallons. In stealth mode, electro-defroids.
Fuel, premium unleaded required. Tank capacity, 18.5 gallons.
Pricing, Coupe 1LZ NZR delivers. This represents the most extraordinary value in the supercar segment. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X. Every specification confirmed, every number official. This is the car, these are the facts. End of the track day. Zain had completed 32 laps. He had braked later than he thought possible. He had used power. The lap timer showed everything. First lap, he was learning the car. Last lap, he was trusting it. The improvement on lap 24, Zain found his lap. Late braking, perfect apex, the LT7 fully open on exit. I have driven cars twice this price, and none of them made me feel like this car did, because this car trusted me. It was honest to me. He drove home on the motorway. Tour mode, quiet, comfortable. The carbon ceramic brakes cool and ready. The LT7 circuit. The ZR1X is historic. 1,250 horsepower from an American production car, 1,250 horsepower, 1.9 seconds, 233 miles per hour. If this review meant something to you, subscribe to BikeVerse right now. Hit the bell every week for free for you. This community is growing and we are just getting started. We have spent a full day on the road and on the circuit with the 2026 Corvette ZR1X. And here's what BikeVerse actually thinks. The ZR1X is the most technical kilometers and reformer. They would not believe it was possible. Chevrolet built it anyway.
Honest pros, 1,250 horsepower for $270,000 is unprecedented.
Perfect for anyone who wants the fastest American production car in history and can afford $207,100.
In 2026, Chevrolet built the most powerful road car in American history. They $207,100, 1,250 horsepower.
That evening, Zain stood in his driveway and looked at the ZR1X for a long time.